Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to find seeing dual Instagram filter. So with the help of this filter you can see a dual or you can see a clone. Okay, this type of video you can make it. So for this you need to go to a search and search for this creator. You can see the username EDWARDKB. So once you open this username, you need to click on this filter icon. Here you can see 3-star type of, and click on this and you can see the first filter as seeing dual. Okay, so this is how this filter look. So to use this filter you need to click on try it. So for example, I will click on try it. So here you can see two bottle. Here you can see two bottle is here. Okay, so if I will go to original, this is original, and if I will switch to this filter, here you can see here you can see two filter. You just need to adjust your screen. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.